Ramadan, through the eyes of Imam Hassan, is the month where mercy overcomes pride. He fasted with a heart free of resentment and worshipped with a soul anchored in forgiveness. He taught that true strength is not in defeating others, but in conquering the ego. In Ramadan, his hands were always open. He fed the hungry, clothed the needy, and gave so freely that he left nothing for himself. When tested with hardship and betrayal, he chose patience over power, peace over revenge, showing that sometimes sacrifice means laying down what you are entitled to. His nights were filled with humility, his days with kindness, in teaching us that worship is incomplete